This is where specifications can save you. We should have seen that this was wrong. Had we come here and looked at our specifications for scan data, we would have had a spec right there that said it was wrong. We could have done our quick test. Our quick test has got a chart back here telling us what pressure difference we can have and that we can never go below 0.4 volts. We're at 0.32. We could have solved this without even doing a road test, trying to minimize our diagnostic time. Now this works for Ford. Chrysler's different.